Hey, so the version 2 of WyzeCam is out, but is it worth getting? Let's find out. Let's make smart home tech simple to enjoy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell next to it so you don't miss that next video. Welcome back, you wonderful people, to the Gross Tech Show. My name is Josh, and in today's video we're going to be looking at this. The version 2 WyzeCam. Now, we did a comparison. I'll link it here, as well as in the description below, between the 2 and the 1, so we're not going to be doing that. We're just going to be looking at the features and everything with the version 2 WyzeCam. And I really, man, for $20, even the pan that's $30, you can't beat these cameras with only needing power. Let's look at what all comes in the box now. So here it is, the version 2 WyzeCam. It's still you've got a little stand basically, so you can point it where you want it to actually look at. The nice thing is the bottom of both the base and the actual camera itself is magnetic, so you can take that little disc that came with the kit and mount it anywhere. I mean, even if you don't need that little disc, you could just pop it on the refrigerator, pop it on anywhere that's metal, or use that sticker and use that plate, and then you can mount it anywhere you want. And you don't have to drill any holes, screw anything in, or worry about this falling because it's a magnet. All right, so it comes in white matte. There's really nothing spiffy about the design. It's just a little cube with your camera, your sensor, your microphone, and your IR blaster. Basically being able to do night vision very well, as long as you don't have it really close against the wall to where the IR brightens this up, or an object's too close to the camera, it will wash it out. But other than that, when it's just put up in the corner of your room or in looking out the window, night vision is really great on these. These are 1080p full HD video. If you don't want that HD video, you can put it down to SD, which is nice, so it doesn't take as much space up. And if you've got, slower internet, you can, relieve some of the stress that this camera will take. Now on the back, you've got a micro USB, which is how you power it up. There's no other wires other than power for it. You've got a normal USB port here, which is pretty awesome. And you might wonder, well, is that for firmware, or how do you use that? Well, the point of that port is that you can daisy link 3 of these cameras off of one power. So that way you don't have to have power going to every single one if you've got them in the same room. These things come with, I think, the most important and most valuable thing, to my opinion, is 14 days free recording of your notifications. So if there's a sound detection, a motion detection, it will record and notify you, of course, in real time, which is a lot better, and really, in my opinion, needs to be happening with all security cameras, because if you get it too late, then what's the point of the motion detection? But what it'll do is it will record that motion that it finds, or that sound or smoke alarm or a carbon monoxide alarm, and detect and send it to you. But it'll also send it to the cloud to where you can watch it up to 14 days time span for free. For free! That is amazing to have that ability. Now, if you want longer than that, or you want it to record all the time, it's got a micro SD port where you can actually buy and put the micro SD card in there and then record to your heart's content. Now, setup, like I said, is so easy with mounting it, with setting it up through the app. It literally tells you exactly what to do. You get the QR code and make it look at it, and it'll register it to your account. You can share these cameras with your wife, with your other family members, if you have these at work, you can share it with other co-workers. It's very simple and easy to set up. It's very simple and easy to use. There's a microphone in here as well as the speaker, so you can talk through the camera to, I don't know, maybe your pet or your kid, maybe, if you do that kind of thing. So as you can tell, I love WyzeCam cameras, and version 2 with the extra motion detection and tracking and being able to specify in this area of the screen to motion detect. Not the entire thing, because for me, I have this version 2 outside. Now, it's not a outside camera. They don't recommend it. They don't say it's an outside, it's an indoor camera, but I bought a little enclosure. It looks like a little birdhouse, and it sits up underneath my easel of my house and keeps it out of the rain, out of the snow and everything, and has been working great. So I have it outside, but I like the motion detection and tracking and being able to say only motion detect in this area, because when a car drives by, I don't want to get that notification saying, hey, there's motion. So I go into it and it was a car. I don't care about a car driving by. So that is very handy with the version 2. Again, I love these cameras. For $20, again, links are down in the description. Go get one. I mean, literally, even if you were just going to play with it, $20 for this, you'd spend so much more money on a lot of other security cameras out there. The Arlos, the Nests, and they're harder to set up. You need more wires, or they have batteries that run dead, and $20. And it does everything they all do. They motion detect, they sound detect, they do smoke and carbon monoxide detect, they do voice. You can speak through the camera, you can listen through the camera, you can get 1080p, I mean, literally, these are $20. Why do the other ones cost so much? I love this thing, and literally, it's the one camera and the brand of cameras that I say get. Alright, so that is the episode. As you can tell, I love Wyze camera. Again, make sure you go down to the description below. The links are there. Go get one. Even if you get the pan, which is pretty awesome. It does 360 viewing. It also tracks 360 motion. It's amazing. It's a little bit bigger. It's $30. But hey, $30, $20 camera, they're so cheap. Why not have these around your house to be able to give you the peace of mind? And if you want to have that ability to look outside, I'll link that other enclosure down in the description and below. Thank you again for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. God bless you guys, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.